Hello, everyone. This is a series of interviews with a few of the folks that we have as committee members on the Java E track. They help us determine the content for the Java E track at JavaOne. I am especially pleased today to have with me David Heffelfinger, somebody that is joining us brand new on the committee, and I'm looking forward to great things from David. In fact, I must confess I already have. So, David, first and foremost, it's great to have you. For those of you who don't know who David is a longtime advocate for Java EE. He's an extremely prolific author, blogger, and also a speaker. So, David, thank you for coming on board.
Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Excellent. David, so first thing I want to ask you is, what was your impression? This was your first time doing this. What did you think about the voting process? What do you think about the sessions?
Well, first of all, I was always curious about how this voting process worked. So it was kind of interesting to kind of like get take a look at the behind the scenes of JavaOne a little bit. So yeah, it was interesting. Essentially, everything is done online, and you can see all the proposals in the tracks that you're voting for. In my case, server side Java. So it was a very interesting experience.
And were you surprised by the number of sessions that we have? Or what did you think about the overall quality at JavaOne submissions?
Lots of really good proposals this year. Yeah, there were quite a number of proposals. It took quite a bit of time to get through all of them. A lot of them stand out. Like I saw some that proposed talking about future versions of current Java EE specifications. So those look very interesting to me.
Excellent. So how did you sort of go about evaluating all this, and what was your thinking process of going through all of these very good session proposals?
Well, I mean, I would just read the proposal. I gotta be honest, I didn't watch all of the videos because that would take a lot of time, but I watched some of the videos. I tried to think how much interest session would generate, and based on that, give either a higher or lower score to the proposal.
Excellent. All right, I think that's all the questions I have for you, David. So I guess any last questions or comments or anything you'd like to say to the broader community on?
I just want to say that for those that don't know, this year marks the 20th birthday of the Java language, so I'm sure this JavaOne conference will be a great one.
All right, thank you very much. Great having you on board, and we'll see you around.
All right, thanks for having me.